Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the cave. It's your Cyber Grinder. And it's Crypto Monday at the cave. Happy Monday. Happy start into the new week, everybody. How are you doing? I'm just just got home. And let's see what's happening in the crypto space. And then we're going to be playing some Gods Unchained today as well. So that's going to be very cool. Happening over here. If you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter. And we're gonna drop some Gcash as well in a minute. Chris gave me the love there. I love it. Love it, love it. Where are we doing? Profile I was saying. So yeah, if you're not following me on Twitter yet and you're into Crypto Studio in the house as well, thank you for the Mana Studio. Happy start into the week. Top of the morning to you. And let's have a coffee together. Watching Bitcoin at the moment, after we had like last week a lot of bearish movement here, and overall the trend line from the all-time high to where we at the moment is still bearish. But guys, we have developed a kind of a bullish upwards movement. We're gonna look at that in a moment. But the last 2 days have been quite interesting. I expected another follow through on the dip. Since they didn't really meet my markers or my levels. But the last 2 days have been an interesting climb in a very interesting formation, candle formation as well. So we're going to be looking at that in a minute as well. Downwards at the moment, they have some support. There's a lot of buy orders. Upwards, there isn't that much resistance really. They started dumping earlier on and then recovered. But like I said, we look at that in a minute. We have to see what happens the next couple of hours. They're like hovering around the magic line at the moment, the golden line. It's, oh, is it the purple? Is it purple? Nah, we left purple behind. And we also gonna talk about a possible consolidation window here. So there's a couple of things on the chart we're gonna be looking into, but I'm quickly gonna check out my Twitter before we start to give everybody some time to arrive. And then we go into the details. Smart contract code review and security analysis report from the farming contract audit complete. Nice. You see, this looks similar to Bitcoin here, though this is YFD. But this is what we're going to be looking at as well. So yeah, we're definitely here on a recovery path at the moment. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to buy back some Bitcoin. I sold some spot coin, not far from where we're at right now. So I have to keep an eye on that because I missed the bottom there if they going up. Perfect gift card. The bull run is now spilling over from Bitcoin to altcoins. Chainlink moved up the market cap board to spot number 8, briefly jumping Bitcoin Cash. Will the continued surge in DeFi interest propel it higher? Nice. The price of Chainlink rose by 13%. Wow. I have created my custom Dixper collection. Parian. That the funniest and craziest interactions for streamers and viewers. Interesting. I'll look at that later. I have to ask preparing what this is. But yeah, let's get some Gcash out there. And then we look at Bitcoin. Let's go. Hola, sir. Hola. There you go, guys. And with Gcash, you can do many things. You can redeem it for game rewards on the Triroll website. You can use it on my Discord. You can join my trading club channel as well, where you get my trade signals and stuff like this, and on Discord. So make sure you claim that Gcash if you're watching right now. You can also sell it on Uniswap. It's publicly traded. Or buy more. Buy it, sell it, whatever you want. But make sure you get these Gcash links and start stacking that Gcash. There's a couple of rewards on there as well at the moment. Anybody wants to check that out? Well, I have to what? This one has to go. What the heck? This isn't available anymore. Shout out, sponsored stream, NFT tokens, crates, and all that. I have to add some, and there is also here a slider for OpenSea rewards. OpenSea is a decentralized marketplace, and there's a lot of stuff up for sale on there as well. So on the Gcash vault. So put your Gcash to use. I might put up some more items for sale. It looks like some of them have expired. So I have to put them back up. Yeah, that's not much stuff at the moment. Do that later. I do that off stream. So let's look at Bitcoin here for a minute and then get into some Gods Unchained. So what we want to talk about here is, if we zoom out of the chart, I like zooming out very much. We see that since the all-time high, we've kind of created a negative trend line, which was severely gapped here at one point, especially after that dip down here, created a huge gap. So that definitely showed us a downward trend here for Bitcoin. And this last sale off, which literally just stopped above my Fibonacci here, I expected them to follow through with this around here. But then they bounced my purple line again. For those who don't know, purple. I like purple. So purple, if you see purple on my chart, those lines have history. This one even traces back further. I just cut it down so we don't have everything cluttered back there. It goes back all the way back there somewhere. Which has shown to be a bounce line. And then we have our Fib up here, which has remained unconquered so far. The negative trend line from this sell-off here, this follows through from the first one here. That trend line was broken yesterday, effectively. And since then, since they didn't follow through here to at least the Fib, or even expected down here, which didn't happen. I expected 32. I had a buy order sitting there at 32,700 or whatever, which didn't get filled. What we have to see here as well is, however, on the other side, I sometimes don't draw them, was as well that they, since then, have not created a new low. So we have to see, this was a new low actually, but since then they have been climbing up. So if they have created 2 new highs here in the last 24 hours pretty much, and they keep moving along that trend line. And if we look at the 4-hour, guys, that's very interesting actually. They are now above the 100 EMA, and they're just keeping above it. So that was broken over here. And since then, since this sell-off, if I would have looked at the 4-hour, I would have probably balked that. I did not see that, them bouncing this here. That chart was a bit different to that one. If I would have seen that on the 4 hours, I would have probably balked that. Anyway, like early on when they were just coming down here, they bounced that again. And now on the way down, they bounced this again. So we have to see what's happening here in the next 20 minutes when the new 4-hour begins. And see if they're gonna go bearish mode again. This one isn't showing a lot of power at the moment, but if they want to continue that trend, then the next hour I kind of expect them to continue the upwards trend. If they break downwards here, they might bounce around here, because this seems to be a good point for them at the moment. If not, they might pull back to our purple support line here, which would align almost 34,750. 34,750, 35. Yeah, at 35 they have some coins sitting there. Buy offers. 35.2, not so much. 35.2 has gone down a little bit. So yeah, I'd be careful, guys. Like over the next hour to see what happens here. This is showing weakness here at the moment. But overall, as you can see, they've been following up this trend. And what I wanted to address as well is if they're gonna be forming a consolidation channel here. If they go down and they don't break the purple line again, speaking, they're not going back down here for a double for a double bottom. If they double bottom this, they're gonna go up. I'm still waiting. I have buy orders sitting down here. This is a margin. I have buy orders sitting down here, guys, somewhere for Bitcoin, and this one I was actually expecting to get filled 2 days ago already. If we do see another dip, I'm not even sure if we go there at the moment. I would expect this to get filled, and if they push through here, if they push through this low, then maybe even back down here, and 30k would be. I was speaking to Vizik earlier on Discord as well. 30k would be in line with the stock to flow model at the moment. So we're kind of still overbought. And if anybody knows the stock to flow model, it kind of shows us we should be going down to 28k before even attempting to go up again. Because this spike here, look at this. This was heavily overbought. You know what I mean? So coming back down to one of these levels, even just here, and that's the thing. I'm hoping that we are coming down here to about 32.5, and from there go sideways a little bit, and then go on to new highs. Because after being so overbought, but they might just start the consolidation here, and that's the thing. That's what I've been looking at, which is kind of evolving now since they stopped that sell-off. 2 days ago, which doesn't mean it's over, but it actually didn't follow through last night. I was waiting for it to be followed through. It would create this consolidation window for us right now, basically, if we stay within this window. Maybe even a little bit further down here. In which case we already have our consolidation ongoing here, instead of having it happening down here. So I'm definitely gonna watch this. If they come back down here towards these levels, I'm probably gonna have to buy some of that spot coin back, because I sold it around where they are now, basically 36.8. So there's 1,000 missing. If they come back down there and that level maintains, I'm probably gonna try to buy back there, and just then follow the chart over the next days and see if we actually start breaking out. As for margin trading, I'm long at the moment, because they bounced the trend line. So we see if they keep going up. We're in a long position since 35,400 something. 35,450, which is kind of puts my stop loss below the 35,200 support on Binance, or the larger buy orders there. So we have to see if they keep going up. I'm not sure. I'm definitely selling if the RSI gets overbought, guys, definitely. But we have to see what the momentum is like. Should be an interesting night today, again, like yesterday. And honestly, guys, the last couple of days, because like I said, I was really expecting them to break further down here, recover a little bit, and break and follow through. Because this formation here, we're gonna have to look at some charts from a longer time ago, guys. But if we look at the last halvings, these formations here, we climb up, and then we see this spike. And then we have to come down a little bit, and then we consolidate, and we have to compare this, exactly this formation here, to one of the older halvings, really. I'm just thinking if I want to do this in here, or if I want to do this in here. I'm probably going to do this on the daily here. So this is this halving. Now we just have to find the last halving. And there it is. And there it is. on the last halving, and that's the thing, I'm not sure entirely which level we're at the moment. Because in the last halving, we also had this here. There we go. And you see, when the bull market decides that the bull market is over, it happens very, very fast, guys. It's literally, it's over. And it takes a while for the market resignation to kick in. Because obviously nobody after a rally, especially if people got in late, nobody wants to realize that it's over. Everybody is waiting for the next all-time high. In this race, however, we might as well. That's the thing. This is the crazy spike we created in 2018. And I'm just looking for something in particular here. They didn't exist before that. I was signed up for Binance in 2017, so we don't have more chart data there for Binance, unfortunately. Let me just swing back to something else. But you can see we had the same. We had a steady increase, steady increase, steady increase, steady increase. Then we had a mad spike, and then we had a rude awakening, which then went very, 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 very fast. You just take me back to my chart here. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Now I just screwed something up. We need some music when I'm talking crypto, guys. Seriously, I need to look into some music for that in the background. Right. Sorry, here it is. 1000. Yeah, here it is. This is actually not the halving. This is the madness of the. Yeah, well, it is kind of. It came after the halving. If you see, we had the same thing. We had a steady increase, steady increase. So the question is more like, are we in this level over here? Because that's what we have to look into. Have we played this now? Where's my tools here? Hang on a second, guys. I'm not the fastest today. Sorry. Because that's what I posted on Discord like a couple of weeks ago as well, where I drew a comparison with the last halving and this halving. I said we are here. Yeah, we're not here. So this was the steady climb we had. And my question is, are we more in this area here now? Because there we had a massive push up as well. And then we came down and we started going sideways and sideways. We came down again, and then we went on to the massive race. But in my opinion, we've seen more like this here. Because also if I follow the EMA, if I compare the EMA, we go back to the current time in a minute. Like I said, that's 218. If I compare the EMA here, we did the same thing. We were literally moving above the 200 EMA for weeks and weeks and weeks, which we are still now. But we started closing in on the 100. And then we went absolutely ballistic there, and we started pulling back, and we broke the 100. And then we had a top out, then we had a reconsolidation, then a reaccumulation, then we went almost back to the all-time high. Yeah. And then we started selling off again, and from there onwards, obviously the bull race, the bull run was over. From there onwards, we kind of started going down. For that to happen, at one point we broke the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So if we're down here, then there's still happy days to come in the weeks and months to come. If we're actually higher up, then I would be careful. So what we need now on Bitcoin at the moment, that's what we need to see. We need to see a proper trend change, guys. We need to see a proper breakout also here on our chart. They need to reclaim the spot up here. Yeah, they have to go above this. And only then we can really talk about a continuation of the bull run, because like you see that the comparison to what we just looked at, it was the same. We had a steady increase, steady increase, steady increase, and then we went on this mad spike, which was sold off. We tried to reconquer it, retake it. We failed, and then we went into this, and that's literally, you see what I mean? We topped, we sold off, they started selling off, they tried to retake it, they failed, and that ultimately created this trend. Eventually, and that's what I wanted to point out, is if, assuming we've seen the top for now, yeah, then it will take a while for the market resignation to kick in. The market just doesn't resign. It's over. Let's go down and let's sell our BTC and pick up more cheap. That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen somewhere around here, when everybody's saying, "Oh, the bull run is over." You know what I mean? I'd be very very careful at the moment, guys. Like I said, I moved some of my balances into USDT. Now we're bounding back to the point where I have to buy all that back, which is fine. It didn't cost me much to sell it. It doesn't cost me much to buy it back, but I protected my investment. If I'm mistaken here and we do bounce and we go into new highs and Bitcoin goes to 80K, fair enough. Yeah, I lost a couple of dollars, no more. I did some trades in between over the last days. They easily make up for that. But overall, I'd be very careful here at the moment, guys. Yeah. But maybe I'm just mistaken, or I'm damaged from the last halvings. But overall, let's see what happens here. They have to follow this trend line now, at least for a little while. And if we're consolidating here, they have to stay above here. I'm still confident. I'm gonna leave that order in there. This one we have to see how it develops. I even had an order down here, which I've taken out for now, because obviously with this movement, they're not gonna get even close to that. Not in one go. I don't think so. If they start dumping here, we're gonna closely watch this level around the between the 33.16. So between 33 and 33,400, that's a level I'm watching at the moment. Definitely, if they're coming back down, and like I said, if they break out of this channel and find support above, I'm gonna have to buy my coins back. So that's basically me for Bitcoin at the moment. I wonder why BitPay now needs you to verify yourself, even though just send some a payment. Because we're all terrorists, man. Because it's the new monetary policy, bro. It's the new monetary policy. If you want to transact with anyone, the government wants to know about it. Endorse it or buy Bitcoin. You don't need. If you wanna, you shouldn't be sending money, Bitcoin, through a third party anyway, because we don't need third parties. That's why it's called peer-to-peer electronic cash system. You just need a gateway to get your Bitcoins. Oh, speaking of gateway to Bitcoin, I converted another no-coiner today to Bitcoin. A very the wife of a friend of mine. She sent me a message. Veronica sent me a message and was like, "Entonces, ¿cómo va el Bitcoin? ¿Dónde lo compras?" And I've sent her everything, wallet and Kraken link and all that stuff. And she told me earlier on she bought 200 euros Bitcoin, and I told her, "Don't buy any more." Yeah, I used the Bitcoin direct send option. I just thought it's funny. I don't know. You should send your friends the money, like, from one wallet to another, bro. You know that. Yeah, for me at the moment, they're still going. Here's 9 o'clock, just perfect, good timing. Because down again to 35.2, there's nothing there. Have you noticed how recently every hour the candles get squeezed into a channel where they don't do anything until the end of the hour? Why they're dumping or whatever, I can understand that. If there's a dump going on or whatever, and they have to support the levels and reorder the order books and stuff like this, I can understand that they wall the market, that they block the market for a little while to consolidate the order book and everything, to prevent any whale to like dump the price and pick it all up cheaper and stuff like this. But outside of that, guys, at the moment, I think like I don't know. A lot of times this is not moving, like literally not moving the book and everything. You know what I mean? They are literally just holding the market for like 45 minutes before they release it again. And I don't know what to think of that. Something I noticed recently. Every hour goes like bim 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 boom, one direction or the other. Mickey, I'm gonna come back on Discord as well. Hang on. Now that I had my opening thingy. You there, bro?
Yeah, bro.
You there? Okay. What do you make of this? What are they doing at this hour? I'm like $600 up on that long.
Oh, nice. Well done.
Yeah, well, the thing is, that's why I don't like them squeezing the market every hour now, because I don't know what to make of it. If there is like every $500, $600 movements, the market gets just stalled for an hour and then it continues. It's weird, bro. It's weird.
But a skipping stone, isn't it? It's like bounce.
I want to scalp my trades every hour, literally, because it's not like this has shown any strengths now over the last hour. You know what I mean? This is like plop plop. Let's try and go up and stay above this line so it doesn't break. Go on, put your back into it. Push, baby, push. It's like, yeah, but no, pull it out. I don't know.
It just hasn't been great volume.
Yeah, it was kind of man. But I don't know. I don't know what they're doing here. They're either building the biggest bull trap in history. This is either the biggest bull trap in history, or I'm just not getting it, which happens in between as well. Sometimes you look at your chart and you're not sure what's happening. At least to me, and I've been doing it for a long time, guys. Not like I know everything that's going on. If I had a 100% success rate, I wouldn't be streaming. And if I was streaming for money, I wouldn't be streaming either, because yeah. So yeah. But yeah, if I was cruising in a couple of Teslas and Lambos and Ferraris and hookers on the yacht, I wouldn't be sitting here. But yeah, it's so confusing. Like I said, I've done the last couple of halvings, so the moment I see something like this, it's actually not that bad, because if I go further down, I find levels like this. It's just like at this level at 40k, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 movement shows a lot bigger than on 5k $500. You know what I mean? On 5k there was no 5k movement, because that would have been zero. So on 10k is a huge sell-off though, guys. We have to bear that in mind. From 40k or 42k down to 31k, 32k, that was huge. I mean, that was big. We've been waiting for that, literally. And yeah, let's see what happens here. Overall, this trend is going up. This trend now is going up again. That dip didn't meet my fib line here, which kind of sucks. And if they continue with this trend, yeah, 35.8 is seeing some orders now. 35.6 is seeing support level. 35.5 has an increased support level now. They're stacking this up again a little bit. Terrible level. And let's see what happens. I knew I should have bought purple, that's why it is purple. Yeah, but I was still in this bearish movement yesterday. I'm still in a bearish mood. I don't know, and I don't bear much, guys. If you know me, I'm not a bearish Bitcoiner because for me, I day trade or I do daily trading during a bull run or whatever, guys. But usually with my Bitcoin, what I do is I sell some on the top whenever, and a couple of months later when we're lower or whatever, I buy them back. So once we're really at the end of the bull run, I have no problem letting some of my coin go or my Satoshi or whatever you want of bits, whatever they call these days. Everybody's arguing on Twitter. Well, we shouldn't call it Satoshi. We should be stacking bits. By the end of the day, you want to stack bits. You may stack stacks of 100 Satoshi and call it whatever you want. Still Satoshis. But yeah, with stacking Satoshis and swing trading is a lot less stressful. I'm a bit burnt out now into the bull run, to be honest. It's been a long couple of months since all this started, and I have to be honest, I'm a little burnt out. So what I want to do is really I want to find a good level to either rebuy my coin and just chill on the next leg up, sell a stop loss, or leave that money on the USD side and just buy that back whenever they go up. But we're too close to my level here for one lot. One lot is okay. Yo, Studio is coming in. Sorry, Studio. I'll reply right now, man. So I didn't catch the 40k, so that's the point. If I would have sold at 40k, I'd be alright. I'd be just chilling now and buy back at 40k. But I sold one lot here at 37. That's still in the green. Bro, they got mighty close today, and I sold one lot at 36,700, and they had actually broke that today. So this I definitely have to watch, guys. I'm gonna have to buy back. We're gonna put. It also seems to be a nice level, and I want to leave this here because this level is important to me. Leave this here. Need this one here. One is basically we'll buy some. There we go. You see, if I was thinking they really keep on going up, I'd buy now. Save myself $1,000. I'm just not convinced yet, guys. I know it's crazy, like, right? We're shooting up a trend line here, and the grinder is like, I don't know. The reason being why I'm so undecided here is, guys, is this formation. In particular, this formation, it's I don't know what to make of that. With these double tops and double bottom candles triggering a buy or sell at the moment. We get these, obviously you always get these, but this formation in particular with these suck pumps and then going up and creating a double top and then being sold off again and then just sneaking along this level seems a bit weird to me at the moment. Maybe I have to zoom out more to get there. But I'd be replaying something very positive. And then we would be approaching this here basically. You see there we don't get these double tops and double bottoms without the wick. I mean, without the candle wick. These double tops, they're all like solids. See what I mean? And they signal you they're gonna go down in the next hour a little bit or more. But they don't have wicks. They're squeezed into that position. Oh, into that channel. So let's see what happens. I don't want to spend all night just looking at the chart here. I'm in my trade. If that gets stopped out, I'm actually if they stop that out, that didn't cost me anything. There is enough coins on the book actually to prevent the sell-off here. Well, not to prevent it. Sell it. They sell it. But there is support around that level. Going downwards and ahead. Where was that 35.5 we said earlier on with Zig? Yeah, they're still on this side. They 35.5. They've been putting support in there. They pulled one of them. There was like 400 coins sitting earlier on, but they probably 34.5, 35.5. Sorry. Yeah, that's still there. 35.3, 35.2. That's been split up. They moved it up a little bit, and 35 has still 200 coins on it. 60 coins, 60 coins. So there's definitely more buy orders at the moment than sell orders on the book. In quantities, that is. And 36.5 is the next level where they have nothing really that much. Yeah, then 36.9 is basically where the chewing begins. $36.9, there's a lot of sell orders there. 125 coins, 85, 102, 96, 75, 151. So this block here, big. Like 50, 60 million just that block. Still another $1,000 to go. 36.9, 37. So how did they get to 37.2 then today if there's so much here? This was the high then, the 37 here. Constitutes our new high because that's now buried behind $50 million. 40. Interesting. Yeah, they got 45 minutes. Let's do something else. We're slowing down so far as price goes. Not really, Studio. If you look at that chart here at the moment, we've been creeping up from 34K to now 35,800, and they've topped out at 37,500 today. Now, however, for the immediate moment, there's a lot of resistance there. There's a lot of sell orders here, but downwards still up to this level, 35.9 right now. There isn't really that much to prevent them from trying this again, or to prevent the market from trying that again. I'm always speak like. And then down here, 35 is still the biggest thing here. Down here, 34, 35. This is like, which aligns here with my level as well. 34.7. We might as well just pull that back to purple here. This is basically the window I'm looking at the moment in terms of them creating a consolidation window, or the market being squeezed into a consolidation window here after that sell-off, where they are now consolidating, and then probably if that consolidation goes well, we're gonna break out again. Looking at that now. We have to see what happens here, but this is looking if I don't know. I don't want to make a prediction here. I said we're going down further yesterday, and then they caught it, and they didn't go down further. Today I came on and I saw 5 hours of selling off, which bounced here, and you have to see they're not creating lows. They're creating higher lows. You know what I mean? This was a higher low, this was a higher low, so we have to really see. It's hard to say anything, man. All I know is up here I have to buy Bitcoin back, and that I'm in the long at the moment. That's all I know. This is what I want down here, which doesn't mean anything. And from there we have to see what happens. The downwards trend, the short-term downwards trend is definitely broken, even if we take it from up here. Even if we take this one and we draw this one down here, this is broken. This is very obvious. Yeah, this is no more. So that has been broken yesterday already. Oh, when was that? When was this breakout? Yeah, that was last night. So that was broken yesterday already during the stream actually. And since there, now we're closing in on the gap from the all-time high. But this one, this trend downwards into that one, that's been broken. And this upward trend, that was obviously broken over here. And everything aligns, as always, everything aligns with purple. I know, right? But everything aligns with purple. And so, therefore, I'm a fucking idiot that didn't buy last night. Because why? Because I was still in this bearish trend mood. But after we had broken the trend line here, guys, this year, yesterday, that dip back down here. After having broken that trend line, that dip back here. This is where I should have bought last night. The low of that candle, that was the entry, 34.8. That would have been the entry. The best possible entry yesterday. For me anyway. That would have been 34.8. For what I sold in spot coin, that would have put me $2,000 ahead of my sell price. For a long, which wouldn't have been stopped out even with that sell-off today. So that would have been this down here, where the trend line bounced, where they hit purple. That would have been the perfect entry. No more all-time high for the moment. Can't be said, man. If we reverse here, if they build that trend line, they're already closing in on that gap. That gap in here between the trend line from up here, that was huge. I should actually put, yeah, I should leave that there. They were creating a huge gap here. But if we look over here, let me go back to today. Go back to today. There we are. If we look on the 4 hour, that's what I wanted to say earlier, or I said earlier, yesterday as well. And you see, that was actually a huge signal I missed. I wasn't looking on the 4 hour. This bounce here, that's the 100 EMA. And though now these 3 hours have been bearish, if they do break down, then yes, I do expect them to go down here. I'm still waiting for the retest here, or even down here. I want them to go down here, 30,600. That'd be awesome. And then start consolidating above a FIB level, not below a FIB level. You know what I mean? This one, unless my FIB is off, but I don't think my FIB is off. I really don't think that FIB is off. Unless I should put this. Did we last time? Did we changed the FIB to trace back from the 18K on the 4 hour? See something. Get there. Of course we get there. Eventually, yeah. If not, we get there for the next halving. We always get there. Always gets there. Fucking trend lines, seriously. Oh. I'm gonna start tracing this instead on the 4 hour anyway. So if they want to maintain that trend, they have the next 4 hours should stay above that line again. I guess then we can see what happens. If they break out, then yeah, I have to buy the coin back. That sucks. Fair enough. I thought they're gonna get me like 25% free Satoshis or something like this. By just selling some spot and buying it back, but apparently not so far. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna fire up Gods Unchained. This is getting a bit boring. And if you haven't claimed your Gcash yet, make sure you check the chat. It's right there, up there. If you can't see it anymore, I copy paste it again for you. And there you go. Boom. Make sure you grab that Gcash. If you want to have any questions, ask away. And then we see what happens here in a couple of hours. Or better, like 40 minutes. And switch over to here. Where is the... Wow. That just jumped like crazy, huh? Huh. And I'm going to bring up the chat over there as well. Actually, I can leave the chat here because we're going to be playing Gods Unchained, so I can see the chat on this side. Where's the client? See if I still have the... oh, it's updating, so that takes a second. Yeah, I haven't played Gods Unchained for a while, I have to admit. So it's probably going to download for a minute in the background. And then we just continue. Perfect time. I'm going to get what user, blah, blah, blah. Trojan, yeah, of course, Trojan. Hello, hello all. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab a drink while this installs, and then we continue. Alright, here we are. Gods Unchained. Let's play some cards. Apparently I got some packs to open, so let's check that out. Girlfriend, but nothing special. Arena and go to. I haven't played in a while. I don't even know what we're doing with our pack. My plus M Astral Meteoroid. We're not even Twilight Shadow at the moment. What? And obviously we didn't play the weekend ranked. Another direct challenge update required. Another one I just updated. Again, sorry for that, guys. They actually just updated the client a second ago. There we go. And let's play a ranked game. Can you hear the washing machine? Nah, you can't. That's good. Nah, perfect. I'm in the queue waiting for a game, apparently. What's happening here? Music on and everything? I need to get into the settings. Ooh, new table, new skin, new everything, UI and everything. What? You need to check that out in a minute. Seems a lot faster. What's this down there?
With justice is my shield.
Oh wow, they changed a lot of stuff. We're gonna need a couple of games here. And there she goes again, Bitcoin. This time they didn't even wait for the end of the hour, guys. Look at this. Let me just make that bigger. Game capture. And let me know in chat, please, if the music's too loud, guys. Some good tunes to listen to in the background. 1 second. We need to look at Bitcoin here as well. I might be approaching the point where I just have to buy coins here. Motherfucker. Bitcoin, I don't want to buy. But yeah, they're pumping this. But how far? They only can go. I sold at 36.7 or something. They can only. I don't think they're gonna break 37 again. Are they gonna break 37 again here? Yeah, I don't know. I have to wait for a dip. I can't buy those back yet. Let's go back into the game. Let me check out that music in a minute, bro. There's also some game setting stuff I need to look into. What do you mean quality low? Really? Post FX, sound background, ambient sound, voice, music. I'm just gonna play this match and then we see what we do.
I'm running out of time.
This was lagging for me now. What the heck?
Time to act.
Interesting.
I'm running out of time.
This is lagging like hell. I can't attack with this card. What the fuck is going on? It's not happening. And why is it his turn? Why is he attacking me during my turn? What the heck's going on here? It's on my side. My time's running. He's attacking me. What the heck?
My turn.
Oh, really? It was just my turn and nothing happened. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, very weird stuff going on. I don't know. It just feels very laggy for me at the moment. What the heck?
Honor guides me.
let's try this. Is that copyright free? Yeah, I can't play that, man. Hi, how are you? Dropped a follow on this stream, guys. On which stream? On my streams? Thank you very much and thanks for the mana. Welcome to the Grinder's Cave. Goes with the game music. Nice tunes, nice tunage. Thank you, bro. Turn that down a bit. Let me know if the music's too loud, please.
Yeah, you'll like that. That's all very pleasant stuff.
Yeah, it's nice. I miss music during the stream. I don't need this guy. Yeah.
I'm running out of time.
Here's bro. Still going, huh?
We must find
Oh, what did he just do? I was doing something else on the other screen. Where did he get all these cards from? Get this out of the way.
I'm running out of time.
Yeah, no, I'm timing out in the background. Just have to do this. Did I just time out? No, I did not.
Guides me.
Haha! Fuck you! Chew on this.
What the hell happened there?
It's a card I have. It spawns 6 of them and gets them protected. The tunes are right on. Cheers. Is the music too loud still, you? And here they come down. I'm gonna sec, just go do something. Let's go up that trade maybe. Ah, that's crazy. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm not scalping, I just moved up my stop loss from earlier on. In case they do come down. Okay. What am I doing here? Oh, did I just switch back the turn because I timed out? If I win this game, that'd be funny. We have to kill this thing. This one has to be killed. Yeah, that's why he's getting sick damage every time he attacks me. Fuck, what do I have here to take this down? 6 and 10. Shit, come on.
I'm running out of time.
Nothing I can't handle.
Yeah, I run out of time now because I've been slagging. Go. That's why my streams have been so miserable. I need music on the side, guys. Okay, he puts that one in.
Time to act.
Okay, well, first things first.
I'm running out of time.
Sacrificed my own card to get his monsters off the board. That's how we roll. This is... something is blocked. Again, my card's frozen here. You see that? My card's frozen and I'm still on my move. This is completely bugged. Music's a bit loud, right? Not for you guys. It's my end.
I'm running out of time.
see that? I can't see shit. Oh, why do I have this card floating here?
Time to act.
Looks like you've got bandwidth problems, bro.
No, I'm good with the bandwidth. It's the game. It's. Oh, I've screwed us. I'm good with the bandwidth, I believe. There's nothing else running. OBS isn't saying anything. I'm lagging on the stream or what? Because the client here is lagging, that's for sure.
Circle in the game, game window going round and round.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. I got the visual lag and the cards floating there and everything. That's not bandwidth. That's something in the client. That's everything else is running fine. Hang on a second. I still need to reconsider this here. I start a new game in a second, guys. Just let me look at Bitcoin here for a moment. I need to look at my margin account for a second. The tunes are great, man. Thanks for that. Let's see if they have to choose through the 20 million up there. If they do, that's at 37. Yeah, if they break 37, I have to buy back. I don't think they will. Okay, let's start another game and see what happens, because it's really not me. Can I change the game settings from here? No. Wallet, audio. I could try clearing the cache, because it's updated. Maybe there's something from the old client. Clear cache. I love my new camera, Cybergrind. It's a $40 camera, but it's a hell of a lot better than the old one. Yo, where did you buy it? What's the name? I need to order one, man. I just can't make up my mind on what I want to have, what I need. But I had some Monopoly money hitting the account yesterday, so maybe I should just buy a camera. I'm also still missing a trinket. That's ridiculous. I have a trinket in my wallet. And it doesn't show. Yeah, I'm still missing. I'm missing one. I have the NFT, but it doesn't show in here. I don't get why. I do have the NFT token. So weird. So weird. Maybe I should throw it back on the market. Maybe somebody wants to buy it. Direct challenge. Oh, is Chris isn't around. Any two aces? Any two, if you're watching, say something in chat. Down to 31 now. .36.5 is seeing resistance now. 36.150 is seeing being walled as well. And 37, yeah, huge resistance. Downwards 32, 35, 250. Back down here, not so much. Let's see what happens. Very nice. So yeah, studio, let me know what camera you bought. Maybe send me a link on Discord or whatever, if you want. Come on, Gods Unchained, you take a look at this. It's taking forever, loading the game and everything. It's a new version OQA tools overhaul, version 2.15, so the build, blah blah blah. So apparently it had a whole overhaul. I don't know. It's a bit slow. Nice tunes. Four minutes to the next candle, and they're pumping it up again to 36.2, 36.3. Let's see, they're probably gonna stop around 36.4 here for the next hour. 36.3, 36.4, yeah. And see if they can break that. You see what I mean, Vizik? It's taking forever. Not happening. And it's not the bandwidth, the stream is just fine.
Oh, mate, yeah, your game's knackered, yeah.
Weird. Something's weird's going on with Gods Unchained. What? And apparently I only have 318 cards. I had like 700 or something. What? What's going on here? Wow, I'm not happy with that client, huh? Not like this. Wow. Let me close this. Let me restart it. I'm gonna run it as admin. Let's see if that helps. studio is probably pulled away to work again. That's why I didn't respond to that question. Retard is going very political. I'm kind of tired of the political channel on our Discord, guys. I'm kind of ignoring it. At the moment.
Yeah, me too.
Nah, it's okay. That's why we have it. I mean, if somebody doesn't want to do politics, you don't have to do it. Participate in a certain channel. Same if somebody doesn't want to do crypto. We have gaming, we have crypto, we have politics, we have whatever. And whoever wants to talk about whatever, they can do it. I guess just we had this COVID mood for a year, and I have to distance myself a little bit. For myself, not for anything else. Need a better mood, like, you know, better base mood. Everything else is the way it is. It's out there and it is what it is. But I need to swing around and do my thing. And everybody else can do whatever they want. It's a free world, apparently, right? So, Propane Panda, rank 8. Bring it on, Propane Panda. Show me what you got. What you really, really got. Yeah, let's focus on this game for a minute. Bitcoin's gonna do whatever Bitcoin's gonna do anyway. 50 starting hand here so far.
With justice as my shield,
Yeah, that's
I
average.
cannot lose.
Fingers crossed.
I start? I don't want to start. You start. Show me what you got, what you really, really got. Deal 1 damage to a creature and give what? And give it hidden until
Time to act.
start of the controller's turn. Okay. He puts out a big wall here. Counter a front line with a front line. I don't know. Set the creature's health to 2. Next level I have mana 3. Mana next level. So I power 3 mana now. Here we go.
That's enough for now.
And I can play 2 cards the next turn. There we go. Again, this next new hour is already looking up a little bit. Look at the last dump, guys. 2-3 hours declining, like dump when we went down to the most recent low. And now we have 3-4 hours of inclining. This could turn very well into a run here on Bitcoin. Okay, what did I want to do? I wanted to do this. I wanted to do this. Boom. I was gonna do this. I was gonna put this in here.
That's enough for now.
Oh, what? At the end of each turn, this creature gets +1 health. Oh, really? Shit! Gotta do something about that. Client seems to be running better now. Sorry?
Can't see your game screen on screen.
Oh, you can't? What?
No, I've just got a big fat square.
Oh, shit.
I can see you, and I can see your underlay background perfect. And then there's a window and collection.
Yeah, no, I see it now. Now it's not. Why? Well, this is pissing me off. What's going on with this game? Now that I run it as admin, What? What the heck is going on with this game today? Give me a second, I have to make my move here. I don't know. Thanks for pointing that out. I thought it automatically grabbed it again. What the heck?
I'm running out of time.
I don't know what I'm doing here right now. This stuff stresses me out, that's why.
Game chat, what I see. Chat game.
Yeah, I do that in a second. I'm running out of time here. I don't know why it's not capturing the game now. That's ridiculous. It was capturing a second ago. What's happening here? My window is not capturing anything right now. Interesting. I'm really at what the heck is going on here? Give me a second. I'll lose that game anyway, but it's ranked, so like, let's figure out what happens if I bring in a new capture. This is stupid, all this stuff that's happening right now. Window capture. New. So what the heck? Right there. The old window capture just gave up on me for some reason. What? This is so weird. I added a new source. Same source, window capture. Selected it there and it just shows up. This could very, very much turn into a fucking huge breakout here, you know that? That Bitcoin thing. If they don't bounce at 37, that's gonna break out. Huge. This dude is gonna kill me just with that one card he got there.
I'm running out of time. There is a frontline creature.
Fuck.
in the way.
How much mana do I have next? Yeah, next turn I can kill that card. Fuck me, that's gonna go parabolic here. That's the 1, 2, that's the third step. They push this. Yeah, that card is bugged. It's that card. It's stuck there again. Did you see that? The card was remained there. his turn. He's sleeping now, my opponent. Not doing anything. There they come back down. 36, 36. Whoa, 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 there they come down. 36. 36, 55. See if they eat the 50 coins at 36. My opponent is asleep.
Oh man, but I don't want to go to bed.
And now, is that the first candle going red since the last 3 hours? It's the first candle showing weakness, right?
That's it.
So if they go down to 35,750, then they broke that last high. Well, not that last, but
Going back to 30. Was it? Yeah.
I got in at 35.4 at the bottom there earlier on. Yeah, I got in here at the bottom.
I reckon we might snap the trend.
Let's see. They're probably gonna. Well, let's see. I'm not gonna say probably anymore. This is like this game is stuck or whatever. His timer isn't running down. It's bugged again. We're gonna play something else, guys. But this game is bugged. Look at this. Nothing to do with the bandwidth. His timer, the purple star in the center, it's not running down. It's not my opponent. It's the client is frozen again on that side. Because look at the flames and everything. It's not lagging or anything. What's happening here? Defeat? What do you mean defeat? It lagged out and now I have a full hand. Look at that. Did you see that? It did not do fuck nothing. Oh my. It froze for me entirely and then I'm being told I'm defeated on a ranked game that I've literally had in my pocket. Okay, one more try and then we'll play something else. Because, yeah, I'm losing rank. Look at this. Yeah, there we go. I lost an entire rank here. Back to... Fuck, I lost an entire shield. Okay, last try. And if that doesn't work, then I'll pull out another game. They're trying to hold 36 here at the moment. Did that candle already go over the last? It didn't. No, it didn't. Interested. This is now captured as a window and not as interesting. Okay. That's not game capture, that's window capture now. That's why it worked. So they must have changed something on the client there as well.
Justice is my shield. I cannot lose.
Fingers crossed.
Bum, 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 bum. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Loving this. Tunes are awesome, bro.
Yeah, they are a bit good, aren't they? It's a recent discovery.
Good discovery, man. Do I want to play a front line on that one now? I want to play this first and then play my front line. Doop. Add a random card from your opponent's hand to your hand. That's cheating! Get your own cards. Oh yeah, that was a good round.
Let's go get him. I'm right behind you.
I snatched the first card from the Sanctum as well, which drew me another card. So card-wise, we're good. Dominating the board at the moment. What's this do? Afterlife, someone a 1-1 impling.
Time to act.
Nobody cares about a 1-1 impling, dude. What I'm gonna do here, we have to get rid of that card. Meh. 1-1 impling. You enjoy your 1-1 impling. Here you go. There we go. Good round. 14 health versus 30. promising. Let's go. My turn? What does this do? Heal another friendly creature. Not my problem.
Hey, what's that over there?
2 health. It's done. With that resistance up there, the next hour should be really going down this week. Unless they find a lot of push to break through 3 to 37. In which case, at 37 I'm definitely buying back these coins. That's $300 later, but I got them at like 30.28, so... Next, we won that one, GG. Just surrendered. Didn't give me the last attack. Okay, let's get through the bloody thingy. Supernova vial. What? What's a supernova vial? What the heck? 500 points of something. Nice. Next. Oh, nice. If we complete this, if I complete the 3 games on the God of Light, we can play the God of Nature afterwards. Because she's on the wheel. So today we could actually be earning some flux for a change. Flux, whatever.
Justice is my shield. I cannot lose. Look, this is going to be tough. So just, try your best. Time to act.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I just had to go to the bathroom quick. Right. Don't really have any good cards here yet.
Onward. I'm running out of time.
No, I used my mana thing and I didn't draw my card. This is annoying. This was annoying. I used my mana for nothing.
My turn.
Wouldn't it be epic if they follow through with the dump now? After 3 hours of slight recovery? Yeah, because they moved down the resistance upwards. Because else they never eat up all these coins in the morning. There's no way they've eaten that in the morning. That push wasn't that strong that they've ate up 30-40 million and not up there. And now we have blocks of 400, 440, 102, 90, 55, 150 and whatever else sitting up there. There's so much coin sitting up there that I think they're gonna have to sell here again if they don't find that money or that buy pressure. Let's see what happens next hour. Did he just kill a couple of my cards? Yes, he did. Your mother from another. Bam, 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 bam. 5 mana at my disposal. I want you to kill that card. Do this. Do that.
I'm running out of time. I like where this is going.
Protected front line we have there now, and his monster there, his twin strike with 5 attack only has 1 health. So let's see what he pulls out of his head to get through there. Another twin strike, of course, but it's not your turn. Oh, it is your turn. What? Ah, this one can play it. You can play this. Ah, bastard. Nice. He has Blitz on this one. Ah, fuck. Blitz you can play at the same turn. Let's see if he's gonna hit that card there as well. No. How did he hit? Wait. He just hit my god. Ah, yeah, right. Okay, fair enough. Ah, fuck. Not gonna fly either. Damn, I'm gonna lose this match. Big fuckery here. Fair enough.
It's my time to shine.
And if they can't break through there, up there, Vizik, sorry. If they can't break through there, up there, then they want to get it close as possible. If they want to go down, they should pump this candle back to where it was earlier on. Yeah, but it's not even getting close. Let's see. I don't know. I love that tunage, man. I have to bookmark this. Just for that link, man. Again. I have to do something here now, for fuck's sake. Shitty draw all over the place. And I have nothing to break his shield, his front line there. And I miss 1 mana to end myself. 4, 5, 6. Can't do anything. Twin strike. I can put that one out there, but it doesn't do anything. Yeah, I'm so screwed here. I can't get past that front line. I don't believe it. Fair enough. He got this. He got this wrapped. GG, sir. There's still no tool or gadget or whatever to taunt them or whatever. League of, what was it? Elder Scrolls Legends, that you had like a selection of a couple of things. You could say GG or well played, sir, or you can taunt them and stuff like this. I wish they had something like this here. Sometimes at the end of the match you just want to say GG, you know, if you had a good game and it was really challenging or whatever, you wanna thank the guy or whatever, or you wanna taunt him or whatever. Just have some fun, you know. I understand that they don't have chat with all the wow. I'm still missing 1 mana to do anything here effectively. Oh, I have a terrible draw here. I'm getting all my high cards. And of that I don't have many. Yeah, I'm gonna give him the game here. 5 health versus 30 health. He's dominating the board. GG, sir. Good game. Well played. That was a good God of War. Well played. He used his cards very well there. Wonder if we're gonna make some more coffee. What time is it? Yeah, I'm not gonna be up until 5. It's 10:30. Might as well just make coffee now. I like that they have a lore for most of the characters though, which is kind of cool.
Good luck.
May the light smile upon you.
Already you play this? That was quick.
With justice is my shield.
Bloody hell, they don't like me today. Not very much, huh? I'm gonna steal his card. Doesn't know that yet, but I'm gonna steal his card. Maybe I'll steal that one instead. Yeah, that one over here. Wow, what? That was fast. What the heck is going on? Sucky. That's big time.
There is no rest for justice.
I'm playing garbage here now as well. Go. I think we're gonna make some more coffee in a minute after this match. Ah, I'm doing loads of garbage here now. I'm not focused. Ooh, what the heck? Still had the monologue on there? Oh, yeah. I'll go make that call.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
This was all terrible up to now, but at least we're still alive. And here he comes again. Let's try and spin this around. Slow him down for a minute.
Some lives were meant to end.
Yo, Studios, thanks very much for the mana there, my friend. Appreciate it. I said earlier on, maybe you got drawn away by work or whatever. I was saying, send me a link to that camera you ordered. I want to check that out. I have to smarten up on the cameras, bro. I need to order one. This one is well outdated, and I'm pretty sure I don't have to change all the lights if I just buy a different camera. And we sort that once and for all. So yeah, I have some Monopoly money sitting in the bank account at the moment. So send me a link. I might just buy one tonight on Amazon or whatever, MediaMarkt, and get it shipped. More cards on the board and no half. But I have to draw something.
That's enough for now.
There is no church in the wilderness.
I had to destroy this card. He put a spell on there, which would make that card gain 5 power or health split between the two attributes. For the next round, he would have destroyed us. Looking. Thanks for the link there. Mexico webcam. Which one did you buy? Mine's the Mexico N60. N60. 30 FPS, okay. Omnidirectional fixed focus. Return micro we don't need. Yeah, that looks good. If you're happy with it, I'm gonna check it out. It can't be worse than mine, so I'll check it out, bro. Thanks for the link. Let's slow him down here a little bit. Hopefully. What? He just broke my protected? How did he break my protection? What? At the start of your turn, deal 2 damage to a random enemy creature. And just happened so that he had to hit my front line, of course, because it's the only creature he could attack. And therefore took the protected off my front line. Bastard. That was unfortunate. Now he has Twin Strike on that one. What the heck? Wow. I better do something now. Like now. Or the game's over. Next hand. Also not getting the greatest of cards here, you know what I mean, guys? This obviously has to go.
That's enough for now.
You can't avoid this any longer.
I have shit cards. It's like I'm getting the worst draws from my entire deck possible and I can't do anything here.
Victory is in blue.
Sorry. Yeah, that was terrible. Let's take a quick look at what Bitcoin's doing before we continue. I'm nearing the last 10 minutes of the hour here. I'm gonna have to watch this carefully. want to see if they want to break through this 37 or if they're actually going down a bit. A lot of money up here. $40 million versus 11. 4 to 1. 4 to 1, up or down. Perfect. Right, I'm back.
Welcome back. Looking at monitors.
You're looking at what? Monitors?
Yeah, monitors. Shop, screens.
What?
I think we might have to upgrade to a 43-inch.
Spending them games.
Yeah.
4 minutes to go here. Let's see what happens. Very high up on that candle now. Right at the resistance. Let's see what happens. In the meantime, we'll enjoy my manteca. Colorado. See what happened when they spiked that green candle here? That green candle. What happens with already higher here? Already here. See. This might be epic if they're going up. They eat these coins up there, or if they pull them.
It's anyone's guess at the moment.
But there's people out there who have a better guess than I do. But gotta go with what you know. I don't know why I keep losing the zoom on the volume for some reason. It'd be great if I could predict Bitcoin market for the next few hours, 100% accurate every day. 100% success rate, 100% success rate on your trading. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah, if only.
Apparently it's quite easy. You buy the dip and you sell the top. Every time you buy the dip, you sell the top. There we go. That last candle didn't even. You know what we're gonna see now? We're gonna see a cat back, I think. Buckle, we call that in Germany. Or maybe not. They have to break 36.5 here first, and then as they get to 37, we'll see. less resistance down to 35, a lot less, even to 35,850. Comes 36 more, yeah. Look how far they made it away from the trend line here. Get back to Gods Unchained, just wanna finish my sandwich. There we go. Higher than the last high from 2 hours ago.
Nice.
Not really, but it works. Just about. Let's see if they find the power to push through.
Things I get to sell some the next drop.
Sorry?
Things I get to sell some before the next drop.
When is the next drop? Hard to say before they bounce 37. And even if they bounce 37, this hour or next hour, you still want to wait another hour to see if they retry it. You have to kind of figure out how much they chewed up. If they pump now and they chew up half of that in the first attempt, then they might just break through in the next hour. Or they just go parabolic right now and eat up. I mean, they're definitely aiming for it, man. What's that? And now it's down to 34 million. 34 million bucks. Nothing if they really go for it. When they dipped down there, they ate up a wall of 700 on the way down. That was just one wall. They also still have good room on the RSI as well. They could definitely chew that up, go a little bit higher, and then either consolidate or come back down a little bit. Or they bounce here and they dip again, but this time if they dip to purple I have to buy some. And that would break the trend line again, so if they dip here, Oh, they should try to keep it above 36 here.
Look into the mirror. Imagine that you're looking at the other side. It's like meditating. You need to focus on something specific. A word. Phrase. Don't expect to blend it so quickly. Be patient.
If they're pulling here back to the orange line, then I would say we have a consolidation window and they're gonna probably go consolidate some more and then maybe go up.
We shall see.
Yeah, but if they drop again to the orange line, then I'm calling a consolidation window. A bit late, because that could have been traded. But I was so focused on being bearish. Get back to the game here for a bit. But Bitcoin does its thing. And then maybe switch over to division in a little while. Have some fun. That high definitely broke the high from 2 hours ago. Top of that candle.
You need to focus on something specific. A word. Phrase. Don't expect to blend it so quickly. Be patient.
This game is loading forever. I don't know what's happening with Gods Unchained, guys. I was feeling like changing over to Vision already. Yo, Function in the house. Anyone? Blah blah. Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry. No, it's different sound, man. I'm sorry, Function. I was just so focused on Bitcoin here at the moment. And I'm waiting for this shit to load, but it's not happening. I think I'm just gonna play some right back. Got to work. Just in case you're not there, happy Monday, bro. I was working. Nah, it's alright, it's me. I didn't say anything. I was just so focused on that chart here at the moment because this is really a break point for me. I have to decide if I want to buy my coins back or not buy my coins back here at this point. And with that wall up there, I can buy it back afterwards, but there's so much behind it as well. It's, I don't know. I gotta stop selling my own fucking coins. Okay, let's see what happens. Mastodon. What's Mastodon? I'm really loving having another game. Wow, I got points for... Nah, look at this. My shield got damaged again. I didn't even play that. Let's play something else, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna update my screen title. Go back to chatting for a second. And I'm just gonna update my stream and we play something else. I can't deal with this right now. And the ticker underneath the stream is not working. Interesting. Oh, there it is. So what should we play? Any preferences? Should we play U-Boat? Let's play something else for a bit. Let me see any of the new games I have. We could check one out. We can check out one of those. I'm getting new games every week, guys. Reminds me I have to check out Keymailer as well if I got a new key. Should I take you through the Tacoma story? Oh, I don't know. Let's find out. Cyberpunk? Should we play some Cyberpunk today? Maybe. Anyway, let me just check out my key mailer. My keys. I got a key. Okay. Mast. Closed beta. What? And the music function, if you're there, that's different music. That's from a different friend. Mastodon instance, decentralized social network. I checked that out, man. Mastodon.
What is Mastodon? Mastodon is an open-source social network. Similar to Twitter or Tumblr, users can make profiles, post messages, images, or videos, and of course follow other users. Messages follow a 500-character limit and are displayed in a chronological order. Unlike other platforms, however, Mastodon is decentralized, meaning that there is no one server, company, or person running it. While other social media platforms are owned and operated by a single corporation who has full control over everything, anyone can create and run their own server of Mastodon. How does this work? When someone creates their own version of Mastodon, this is called an instance. Since Mastodon is open source, anyone can create their own instance of Mastodon with their own set of rules. Because of this, all instances are owned, operated, and moderated by the community that creates them, and not some large corporation which tracks your data to sell to advertisers. In most cases, Mastodon instances are crowdfunded, not financed. But how do these instances communicate with one another? While users within an instance can, of course, follow each other, they can also decide to follow users within other instances. So while each instance of Mastodon is privately operated, their users can still communicate with members from other servers seamlessly. Of course, communities who want to remain private don't have to communicate with other servers. This is in the hands of its users. Mastodon also offers effective anti-abuse tools to help moderate instances as users see fit. Ultimately, Mastodon is a social network which puts the user first. Unlike traditional social media, Mastodon can't go bankrupt, it can't be sold, and it can't be completely blocked by governments. Users are free to join whichever community they want and communicate with whomever they want. With over 1 million registered users across multiple different languages, Mastodon is growing fast. Not sure which instance to join? Click the link below to find one that's right for you.
Instance. Nice, nice, nice. Interesting. I'm gonna check this out, bro. Ski up. Could even create our own instance if it comes to that, you know what I mean? Or just join one. Issues 1.1k. What? Yeah, definitely look more into that, bro. Thanks for sharing that. That sounds very good. How are you liking it so far, studio? Yeah, if you try it, let's try this out, guys. We try it and we see what it's like, and if we like it, we build our own instance on there. Why not? You know what I mean? It doesn't cost us anything. Apparently, to run an instance, if it's decentralized, we run one, we find out what it's like. I want to see if all the instances interlink to each other, like, you know, if there's like, if it's decentralized, how is it all linked up and everything. If we can if you're linked in with other instances for, like, yeah, to discover these people. They're being pushed down a little bit here now in Bitcoin, but that might just be for the hour. For this to get further down, to get new push upwards, because yeah, they couldn't make 36.3 at the moment. Air gapped it now to 36.4. There's more coins popping up. 36.4 is now seeing 80 coins. 36.250 and 36.2 is now seeing coins as well, pushing the price a bit further down. I'd be surprised if they push through 37 here, really. You know, Bitcoin, everything is possible. Well, the last 4 hours are very, very bullish, guys. You can't say they're not. But I'm still scared of the bear market. Mine's, as it stands, I kind of centralized right now, but their software is open source, and Ottman says you can take it and make your own Minds-like website. Can you make a profile with just a username and no real name or phone number? Yeah, you can do that. You can hide info like email too, I think. Nice, that's not bad, really. 40 million to go up there. Okay. That next hour should be interesting. If not, they probably pull back to the trend line here, and if they hold that again, that might be a good entry for another trade if they don't break it. That would be 35. 5.7 right down here. Where they have these 40 coins sitting. $750. A little bit more maybe. Yeah, they can pull back to like 35.7 without breaking the trend line, which is very possible here. And then they use the 35.7, 38.50 again for keep the next hour down, and then continue. Let's see if that's an option by the end of this hour. If they're actually going down there, I almost expect it, and then keep on moving up that trend line. Yeah, bro, they need space to go up. If they want to go through there, they need space. You know what I mean? If they do want to go up, they need the velocity. They cannot just go right under the wall and start buying. And you know how it goes. The traders, they want to have max return, so they would try to get back to the trend line and then from there start the push. Not from up here. From up here, and if that fails, there is no margin. If they push here and they fail, they run out of buy pressure before they break 37. That'd be bad. So let's see what happens. Because then they have to pull back, right? If they go to 37 and they fail, then they have to pull back. And then they're already in the next hour, they're closer to the trend line. So if they push up here now and they fail and they have to pull back, they have less room. This is the perfect space to pull back down here and then push up and try to break the 37. Obey. But it's 3.85% if they try that. 4%. Look at the 4 hour. Or 90 minutes to go. Still haven't told me what game we want to play, guys. Let's see. Never got in there. Amnesia Machine for Pigs. I never played that game. Huh. I'm trying to figure out what we want to play here. What should we play, guys? Come on. Vision Man. Something is happening with my capturing sources today. I don't get it. You just came in. Yo, TSG in the house with 500 mana. How you doing, girl? Thanks for coming in. We're just looking at Bitcoin, and I'm gonna do some pew pew. I was playing Gods Unchained until now, but something wrong with the client, and now I can't I can't capture that bloody window. Read that as well. Something's wrong with my sources today. It doesn't want to capture my stuff for some reason. Game's right there. How are you? How's everything? Let's bring in a new game capture as well then. Everything is weird. Maybe it's just time to bring in some new sources. For game capture, you do that. Still looking to capture a game because I have a game running there. Just tired as fuck, too much work. I want to do nothing today, but it worked. I worked hard. Ah, work hard, party harder. I want to turn on that music now and see if we can bring in a game. It's good, but it also sucks. Yeah, of course, you get tired, you get exhausted and everything. But, yeah. You can do it. You can do it. So let me just see if I can bring this in somewhere. And let me see what's going on with the game captures here. Yeah, today something weird is going on with my captures, seriously. It's not taking it. It's right there, I see it. Well, I have it selected, but it's not bringing it in. It's so weird. What the heck is going on? I might just have to restart my OBS, guys. There's something weird going on. I can't get the game captured, and early on I couldn't get Gods Unchained captured. Brave. This is a game capture. Why would the game capture window capture? No. This is very weird. What the heck is going on? I'm gonna have to restart this the OBS, guys. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Sorry for that. I need a good drug-fueled music festival. Yeah, that's what I need. In 2 months I will take a holiday. You coming to Spain, you're saying? Before I restart the stream. Yeah, I think they're ready to push some more here, maybe. But there's loads of resistance piling up. No. Take that back for the moment. We'll see, but I don't think so. But we'll find out. Anyway, I want that. I wish I could. For real. Yeah, I wish you would come over as well. It's just cold at the moment. The thing is, I don't know if at the moment if it's really the time to travel. You know what I mean? That's the thing. While everybody tries to lower the curve and everything, I don't know if right now is the time to, like, you know, fly around and everything. But yeah, if you ever come down to Spain, you make sure you holler. If you come to the south of Spain, you say something. Guys, guys and girl, give me 1 second just to restart OBS here. I'm very sorry. I just need 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll start the stream over here as well so I can see what's going on.